Just going to give a quick run through of the new release from M-Tec in the quad trailer range. This is our new 7ft4 by 4ft4 Quadmaster trailer. It's a trailer designed around the transportation and use with a quad. So it is spec'd out with a side access gate and a step for easy access to the machine in the trailer. It has an on-off road wheel and a mudyard, which leaves it suitable for the field and the road. LED lighting all round on the rear and the front. A long ramp for easy access off the machine, and also if you were to bring a lawnmower, the ramp's long enough to avoid any grounding at the ramp point. Secure quick releases, mesh sides, a Swan neck drawbar and a Jockey wheel, which leaves the machine suitable for using on your Jeep or also on the quad when you get to the field. For more info on the new M-Tec Quadmaster trailer, call in or give us a shout.